Hi, this is Susie from Structural Graphics. We all look to Google for answers, but when Google was facing some tough marketing challenges, they looked to Structural Graphics. Take a look. The first was an unboxing launch promoting their new store and the products in it. The goal was to deliver influencers 7 products in such an unforgettable way, they would have to vlog about it. The result was this almost 2-foot square puzzle with each piece carrying its own product. The effort became Google's highest ROI campaign of the year. When Google was launching their Photos app, they wanted to send influencers a book that mimicked the app's experience in print. This interactive, educational scrapbook did the trick. If you're wondering if you can meet your tough marketing design challenge, yeah, it's possible. Contact Structural Graphics. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.